Ever wonder what Alexa does with all those midnight snack requests? Well, you're not alone. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Sign up for my CyberGuy report newsletter here at cyberguy.com. Let's get this done. Here is how to clear Alexa's memory and keep your conversations private. Grab your phone and open up the Alexa app. Tap More in the bottom right corner. Next, find Settings and tap it. Scroll down and you'll find Alexa Privacy. Tap that. Here's where the magic happens. In Alexa Privacy, you'll find Review Voice History. Go ahead and tap it. Think of it as Alexa's little black book of your voice commands. Here you can review and delete the voice commands Alexa has stored. Want to erase everything from the record? No problem. Under where it says Displaying, tap Today. Then next to Filter by Date, tap Today. Scroll down and select All History. And then hit Delete All My Recordings. It's going to ask you to confirm your selection by tapping Delete, and just like that, your Alexa history is history. For more security and privacy tips, simply go to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.